So after, so just going through this section line, so I'm showing you by moving this. So from this section line you see that first you have to see this staircase, after that this window frame and window and wall which is having the uh, thickness, and after that this wall portion. After going through directly here, there will be a small window portion, this small wall, then this wall portion, and after that this hidden column is there. So below the ground level, wall portion is up to the ground, and below this plinth level there will be a column, and footing portion will be seen from this face. After that, this WC bath portion, in this WC bath is ventilator, and the dado height is shown in the face. Why dado height? Dado height means the tiles fitted in the bath and the WC, and it will be up to the windows ceiling. So this will be showing here, and the ventilator is shown, which is 1.2 meter. After that, this wall, and after that bath portion, similarly dado height in this ventilator is shown in the this phase. After that this wall is cutting, so wall cutting means brick portion is seen, and after that there will be a hidden portion of the column will be seen. So let's see how to draw that. So first staircase will be drawn here, right? So staircase portion is there. After that door frame, wall. After that this simple wall is shown in here, and this is your plinth level. So after that this is window portion, this window portion is there. After that small wall, so small wall is there. After that wall cutting, so wall cutting is there. So wall cutting showing the brick in the walls, so draw the symbol of this brick. After that WC, that is this is dado height, it's showing here. After that this is ventilators, but this wall, it is up to floor level, and below this floor level there will be the hidden column in this portion, at is it is showing in this part. So it will be hidden column. After that there will be a isolated footing below this ground level. So this is showing in this figure. After that there will be the wall cutting. Again this wall cutting is there, and this is bath, and this is wall cutting. So wall cutting, after that bath, dado height, ventilators, this is your wall cutting, and after that hidden column, and their footing is showing here. After that upper part there will be a slab level, so slab thickness is showing here, and after slab thickness there will be a corner portion, this is parapet, wall is cutting, so this portion is also showing here, right? So this will your total, and this is in this phase the parapet is showing. So this is totally drawing of section plan, and in this plan also this parapet means plinth level is also showing here. So this plinth level you have to draw some layers. I am showing you what is in that layer. So this is a rubble masonry. Here you have to draw with rubble masonry symbol which is given you. So this is rubble masonry. After that murum you have to show the symbol of the murum here, and after the murum there will be a PCC in that portion. Sorry. Below this is murum portion, and here will be the rubble masonry. Here only the murum portion is there, and after that this is PCC above the rubble masonry, and after that this will be your flooring portion. So this will be shown up to the plinth part, which is at the from the ground level to the floor level, right? So this part will be murum, then rubble, then PCC, and after that flooring, right? So this will you have to draw, and this will be 0.6 meter height, means 0.2 for murum, 0.2 for rubble, and 0.2 for PCC and flooring. So this will be you have to shown in the section plan. So thank you. So this is all about your development plan, elevation, and the section plan. And after that you have to also give the north direction at the upper part, scale, notes, nameplate, marginal lines in your plan. So thank you.